Hey you guys, so I am back with another bougie on a budget video, another unboxing. This is what the items came into. I recently purchased these from a seller on Instagram, and I think there are shoes in there. Not sure if it's shoes or if it's bag because I ordered so many things from this particular seller. So let's go on with the unboxing. So this is how the inside looks. This is how the person packaged the items. So it's packaged well, guys. It did come with the dust bags. So as you can see, there's a Dior item and a Louis Vuitton item. For the Louis Vuitton bag, I'm not sure if this is how it's supposed to look because it's a black lace strap bag handle and the wording on the bag is black, so not sure. Here's another Dior gift bag. I don't know why I get so many gift bags. Oh well. So okay. Here's the Louis Vuitton. And here is the Dior. So as you guys notice, they both are shoes. So let's begin with the Dior first. So on the inside it comes wrapped with the tissue paper, and it is also Dior printed on it. Comes with bubble wrap on the inside. It is wrapped perfectly. Comes in these little bags. It even comes with a dust bag. So here is the item, guys. This is the Dior slingback, and I have it in the multicolored. So this is what it's looking like, and I am so happy for these. This is the other one. Wow, guys, these are beautiful. So for the next item, the Louis Vuitton item. So this is what it comes in. Of course, it does comes with its own dust bag also. Comes in this tissue paper that says Louis Vuitton on it. This is what the inside looks like, packaged well. Ooh. These are beautiful. Oh my God. So these are just Louis Vuitton slide in the checkered print, Damier Ebene print, and I am loving it. Wow. These are beautiful. So that is all I have for you guys today. So until next time, please like, thumbs up, and subscribe to the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.